Hello, fourth graders. Welcome. Oh, not fourth graders. Hello, third graders. Hi, guys. And welcome to lesson 3.13. Today, we are going to look at name collection boxes, and you're going to find out what those are in just a moment. Here's a math message, though, for you. Take a look at all of these problems. What is something that is the same about all five of these problems? Yeah, right? They all do you know what they all equal? I hope you said 14. 2 plus 12 is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. 15 times 1 is 14. 24 minus 10 is 14. 1 dozen, right? That's a 12. A dozen is 12, like a dozen eggs. And 2 more equals 14, right? These all equal 14. What's something else that would equal 14? Yeah, there's so many things that you could have put. You could have put 14 times 1, but there's many, 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 many more. All right. So what we're doing today is finding equivalent names. So in mathematics, when we talk about an expression is made up of numbers and symbols, right? But not things that have equal signs or greater than, less than, right? Those are number sentences. So we're going to be using expressions today. So all of these expressions here were all equivalent. Equivalent, right? You can see EQU, and you know the word equal also starts like that. Those are word cousins, right? Those words are related. And so equivalent is the same as equal. And our goal here, our objective is to create equivalent names for numbers, right? And this connects to our multiplication facts that we've been doing. You're going to see how that's going to be useful here. So when I have a name collection box, that's what this is. And this box shows me that I want to have all things that are equal to 14. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come up with lots of problems or different ways to show 14, right? So we've talked about some of them. 14 times 1. We could do 2 times 7. We could do adding problems. 10 times 4. We could do subtracting problems. 16 minus 2. We could do other adding problems, right? 9 plus 5. We could do 20 minus 6. And then we can also find some other ways to show these numbers, right? So 14, maybe I want to draw an array. This is a representation, an expression that shows 14. Maybe I want to draw the base 10 blocks, right? So one long, that's 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14. These are all expressions that equal 14. Okay, so let's take a look at another type. Sometimes we might have to figure out um, what doesn't belong here, right? So we're going to cross out something that doesn't belong. Well, how are we going to do that? Well, we have to think about what each one of these would be, right? So 9 times 9 equals 18. Yep, that fits. And how do I know? Because there's the 18 right there. So this is a box of expressions that equal 18. 10 plus 8 equals 18. 9 plus 2 equals 11. Get rid of that one. 110 and 6 ones equals 16. Nope. All right, here's an array that equals 18. Good. 20 minus 8 does not equal 18. 2 dozen, remember that's groups of 12. So 12 plus 12 equals 24. That's out of here. 9 times 2 equals 18. 3 plus 3 plus 3, nope. Half of 36 is 18. And here's our base 10 blocks. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Nope, that's out. Right? So we can also look for numbers that do not belong in a name collection box as well. All right, I would like for you to open up in Math Journal, page number 96, please. All right, you're going to help me. We are going to do number 1 here together. We're going to come up with lots of things that equal 20. right? Work with a partner. Oh, you're my partner. We can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We can draw pictures to equal, here's our number, 20. So start me off by with an adding problem that equals 20. Okay, you can write yours down. I'm going to write mine down too. I'm going to put 19. Oh, that looks like 19 times 1. 19 plus 1. 19 plus 1 equals 20. Now, give me a subtraction problem that equals 20. All right, how about 25 minus 5? And if you had a different one, you can add yours too. So then you'll be on your way to getting 10 things, right? Because I've only got 2 so far. What is a multiplication problem that equals 20? Okay, you might have said 10 times 2. And thinking back to what we did recently, turnaround facts for that is 2 times 10, right? So that would work. Dividing, if you want to divide, you can. I'm not going to go into that yet because we haven't covered that in class. But if you think you know a division problem that equals 20, you could do that. I'm going to add a picture of 2 groups of 10, right? That equals 20. So what you are going to do on this page is to complete this page, right? So we have done 5 names together. Probably you have more than that. You have to have 10 names that equal 20. And then on number 2, we're going to cross out, it says 3 names here do not belong in this box. Cross them out, then write the name of the box on the tag, right? So we have problems here. You're going to need to figure out what these are. They're all going to, most of them are going to have something in common, right? So let's work on this actually for a moment here. So 10 plus 6, well, that's equal to 16. 10 less than 26 is 16 also. So it looks like this is a 16 box. 8 groups of 2 are 16. Yeah, right? This is a 16 box. So I want you to find for me, there's 3 of them, find one thing that does not equal 16 in this box. What is it? All right, so I want you to cross that item out if it does not equal 16. And then you have to cross out 2 more because 3 of these do not belong here, right? That's part of your job as you work on this math journal page. And then you are going to complete number 3, right? To find 10 names that equal 24. And then you get to make up your own box, right? You get to decide what number goes here, and you're going to fill with 10 names. Remember, you can use addition, subtraction, multiplication. You can draw a picture. You can see the words here. Sometimes the words are good. Oh, there's 14. Well, that doesn't go there, right? So you can. This is our page today. It is page 96, and this is the page you are completing. All right, third graders. That's where we're going to wrap up. This is a lesson about name collection boxes and finding expressions that are equivalent to each other. If you need any help on anything, be sure to reach out. Let me know. And good luck.